Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today I want to make a video on sublimation. So I don't know if you guys are wondering how we do sublimation, but this is kind of cool. Usually you've seen sublimation done like on t-shirts and stuff like that, but I want to show you a different way of making some extra money, something that is very easy and very cool. So I got a picture here. See if you can see it. Here you go. I cover their faces because that way you don't see their faces. This is my pastor and his daughter. It's a really cool picture. So it's again, this is a 13 by 19, and as you know, sublimation is done on 100% polyester. So this is the fabric that I'm gonna use. This is just regular fabric, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this is fusible backing. So let me turn the camera over so you can see the screen press, not the screen press, the heat press. So you see how we do the sublimation. So this is pretty cool. I don't want to tell you just yet what it's gonna be. I want you to see it. Just watch. This is really cool. So let me turn the camera over so you can see the heat press. Again, this is fusible backing. If you notice, did you see that shine? That's the adhesive. And then grab your fabric, lay it on top. And the reason for that is I want the fabric. You don't need the fusible backing, but what I'm gonna do, the little technique that I'm gonna use right now, you do need the fusible backing. So grab your image, in this case the picture of the wedding, and just lay it there. Okay, so sublimation has to be pressed for 60 seconds at 400 degrees. So there you go, that's been 1 minute. And sublimation is pretty cool. So it's ready to go. So it's already being fused and everything. So this is what I'm gonna do. I know you've seen this frames for weddings, pictures on weddings or quinceañeras or different events. And people go to, like, for example, like Staples or Office Depot, FedEx, and they get this prints with this big prints. Well, you can do that with sublimation. Only you can do this. Look, watch. This is super cool. I mean, again, I cover their faces because I don't want you to see their faces. Just imagine you show this to the bride. All in a frame and everything, ready to go. Okay, so the reason why I use fusible backing is because by using fusible backing, now your fabric is nice and sturdy and it won't stretch a lot like it will normally do, because the fusible backing will keep it from stretching. And if I was to put it on a frame, say for example a frame like this one, then I can. All I gotta do is use some staples and staple it to the back. And I'm gonna show you real quick. I have another picture here that I did from the same wedding, and I'm just gonna kind of cover their faces a little bit. So here it is. This is the second picture that I did, and I mean it looks really good. So this is the frame. So if I was to frame it, I would just frame it like so, put a couple of staples in the back, and then if I can do it with one hand, I cannot do it with one hand. So something like that, right? And there'll be staples in the back, and then you give this to the couple, and man, and that will be so cool. Again, normally you see this done on t-shirts, but this is another way of making some serious money, because the material that you're gonna spend on this is very minimum. I mean, you're using It's a 13 by 19. So basically you can probably invest about $2-3 on this. Well, with the frame and everything, you say you can invest about $5 to $10, and you can sell a frame for about, I don't know, I mean, Staples sells it for 120. So, you know, 120. So, hey, by investing $5, let's do it. So guys, if you like this video, you know, don't forget to hit the little thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and share the video. And let me know in the comments below if you've done sublimation, what kind of sublimation you use, what kind of printer that you use. I use a regular Warforce, Epson Warforce 75, what is it, 7510. That's what I use for my sublimation, and it comes out, I mean, looking really, really nice. So again, I said I wasn't going to show their faces. So again, you know, I think the quality it's really good. I know on the video you probably can appreciate the quality, but it's really good. Guys, drop a line, let me know what you want to see, if you want to make a video on something specific, and if I can do it, I will do it. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Thank you guys.